Hello and welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to be reviewing 3 Etsy slime shops in the UK. And I'm going to kick off with this wonderfully pink bubble wrapped mailer. Also we have some borax here and a card from the looks of it and a bubble wrapped slime. So this is from EveryOtherSlimes. So here's their card, their Insta and information. That's really handy, thank you. So this slime is really well bubble wrapped, there's no leakage, they've got a nice logo there, and this cost only £3 with £2 shipping, so £5 total, and it's called Candy Cotton Dreams. So, oops, looks like there's a hair in there. Oh, well, let's have a look at this slime, shall we? There's some marshmallow beads, some foam beads. It doesn't really have a scent. I'd say it has a very gluey scent, which is a shame. I think definitely invest in some scents, and it's a bit sticky, so I'm going to activate this. Okay, so now this slime is fully activated, and I really love all the beads in this, the marshmallow beads and the foam beads, and I like the baby pink and baby blue. I love the thought that's gone into this slime. I'm just not 100% convinced of the slime base, which has a gluey scent, but I'll definitely say to the seller it's worth investing in some scents. But here's some ASMR. So there we have EveryOtherSlimes. Thank you very much for your package. So next up we have a package I ordered from GooBerrySlimess, and I've ordered some marshmallow beads from them before in really nice themes. They do excellent themes like mermaid, pastel, ooh, unicorn. Look at these, they're just so pretty. So go check their shop out if you're looking for marshmallow beads, especially if you're a slime seller. So I also ordered a slime, and there's not been any leakage, and look at this, ooh, lovely colours, Cotton Fizz, and I love her logo, that's really cute. Right, so let's have a look at the extras, shall we? This is really nicely put together, very nice business card, a couple of sweets, and really pretty colours. I like the logo so much. There's the Insta and Etsy, so go check their shop out, and there's information on slime care. Very nice too. There's also some borax with a really nice label on and instructions on how to mix it. Oh, sweet cakes, candy, and a Fruitella chew. Wow. So let's have a look at this slime. So this slime costs £5 for 5 ounces. I think that's a really good price point, and it's Snow Fizz. Oh, look at that. I love the way, it's marbled. It says it's scented with candy floss, but it smells more like Snow Fairy to me. It's a really nice scent, and I just think this is a really pretty slime. Ooh. Yeah, it feels kind of clay actually, and I can see that there's some fake snow in there, you know, of the plastic variety, so it's definitely a Snow Fizz, and it hasn't got any poke or click. It's a very thick clayey slime, and the colours are such a shame to mix them, but I can already see this is going to make a really pretty purple slime. So as it's a Snow Fizz, I think it makes lots of lovely sound when you're stretching it. Yep, and it's very spreadable, so it's definitely a clay-based slime. And it's very holdable, doesn't need activating at all. Well, I'm really happy with that slime. It smells amazing. I'd definitely say it smells more of Snow Fairy than Candy Floss, but it's a really good quality slime, needed no activating whatsoever. I like the package, I like the logo. Really good slime, so thank you very much for the extras too. Wonderful. So finally we have a package from SlimeScrewball. Fantastic name. So this has come in a really nice big box. So this looks really well packaged. Some lovely tissue paper on top. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Oh my goodness me. I've got some sort of squishy type creature from the works. That's really cute, thank you. Some sweets and borax and a card. There's their Insta and Etsy shop. And here's the slime I ordered. And it looks like there's another one. Fantastic. Wow. Look at that. Very nicely put together. Nothing's leaked. Looks excellent. So first up, let's have a look at this exciting squishy creature. It looks amazing. I've never received anything like this in a slime package, so thank you so much. Oh, it's like a sticky creature as well, so imagine it sticks to walls and windows. And you can dangle it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's hilarious. I love it. And it's got all these beads. Wow. Oh. Oh, so much fun to be had with that. I love him. I should give him a name. Comment below what name he ought to have. He's really cute. In a kind of spooky way. Well, he can sit there and watch me open my slimes. So, starting with the extras pack, we've got the business card, some sweets, some borax. So here's their business card with Insta and Etsy and how to fix slime. I will put links to these shops below in the description. And a very generous baggie of borax, that's excellent. And the Skittles, that's so funny because I've done a load of extras with Skittles in as well for my shop. So great minds think alike, eh? So let's dive on into these slimes. So everything was really well bubble wrapped, there was no leakage, it was in a box, excellently well packaged, and this was the slime I ordered, banana split, and there's this extra as well. Oh, Oreo McFlurry, excellent. I didn't order this, so this is a freebie, thank you so much. Wow, look at those sprinkles. Oh, really nice. So let's check out this slime. Oh, I can already smell banana. Yeah. This looks like a really banana. It looks quite thick. Yeah. Very thick slime, lots of lovely rainbow beads and rainbow sprinkles. Oh wow, this looks really good and it looks really glossy as well. Well, this is a really glossy slime. It's a really nice slime base. It smells amazing and it's so thick. It's really good. Wow, this is a really good slime. It's packed with foam beads and sprinkles. The base is really good for poke and click and crunch. Yeah, very good. I think my new pet spider is impressed. Wow, so that slime was amazing. So onto this lovely freebie Oreo cookie. Oh, Oreo McFlurry, that's it. Oh, this looks glossy as well. Yep, definitely smells of Oreo cookies. It's slightly on the grey side, I'm not sure why that would be, but I don't care. This is a freebie, so thank you so much. This is so thick and glossy, it's flecked with black glitter. It's got some foam beads in there as well. Ooh, wow. Well, this is super stretchy, super glossy, really good conditioned slime, doesn't need any activating whatsoever. It smells amazing, it's great to handle, so well done Scream Slimes, you're doing a fantastic job, keep it up and thank you so much for my package. I've loved it. And that about wraps it up for this video, so thank you so much to the shops I ordered from, thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!